Understanding evolutionary mismatch. When modern life clashes with ancient biology. In the grand narrative of evolution, species adapt to their environments over millennia, honing their traits to maximize survival and reproduction. However, the rapid pace of technological and cultural change in human society has led to a fascinating phenomenon known as evolutionary mismatch. This concept highlights the discordance between our ancient biological predispositions and the demands of modern life. Exploring this mismatch offers insights into various aspects of human health, behavior, and well-being. What is an evolutionary mismatch? Evolutionary mismatch occurs when the environment in which an organism currently resides differs significantly from the environment in which its traits evolved. For humans, our biology is finely tuned to the conditions of our ancestral past, shaped by millions of years of evolution as hunter-gatherers in small social groups. However, the advent of agriculture, industrialization, and, more recently, digital technology has transformed our way of life at a pace far outstripping the slow march of biological evolution. Examples of evolutionary mismatch. 1. Sedentary lifestyle versus active bodies. Our ancestors led physically demanding lives, engaging in hunting, gathering, and constant movement. However, modern life often involves sedentary behaviors, such as sitting for long hours at desks or in front of screens. This lack of physical activity can lead to various health issues, including obesity, cardiovascular diseases, and musculoskeletal problems, highlighting the mismatch between our body's need for movement and our sedentary lifestyles. 2. Highly processed diets versus evolutionary nutrition. Evolution has shaped our dietary preferences to prioritize foods rich in calories, sugars, and fats, as these were scarce and valuable resources for our ancestors. However, the abundance of highly processed foods in modern diets, often high in refined sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives, can lead to metabolic disorders like diabetes and obesity. Our bodies are not well equipped to handle these novel dietary challenges, leading to mismatch-induced health problems. 3. Artificial lighting and sleep disruption. For the majority of human history, our sleep-wake cycles were synchronized with the natural light-dark cycle. However, the widespread use of artificial lighting, especially in the form of electronic devices emitting blue light, can disrupt our circadian rhythms, leading to sleep disorders and associated health issues. This misalignment between our biological clocks and modern lighting practices underscores the evolutionary mismatch in our sleep patterns. 4. Social media and mental health. Human social dynamics evolved in small, close-knit groups where face-to-face interaction was the norm. However, the rise of social media and digital communication has radically altered the way we connect with others, often leading to feelings of loneliness, social comparison, and anxiety. Our brains are not adapted to process the constant influx of information and social stimuli from online interactions, contributing to mental health challenges in the modern world. Implications and solutions. Understanding evolutionary mismatch can inform efforts to design environments, policies, and technologies that better align with our biological needs and promote overall well-being. This might include interventions such as promoting physical activity, encouraging access to natural light, advocating for healthier dietary choices, and fostering meaningful social connections in both virtual and real-world settings. Evolutionary mismatch serves as a compelling lens through which to examine the dissonance between our ancient biology and the complexities of modern life. By recognizing these mismatches and proactively addressing them, we can strive to create environments that support human health, happiness, and flourishing in the 21st century and beyond. Evolutionary mismatch manifests in various aspects of modern life beyond those mentioned earlier. Here are a few more examples. 1. Technological overload. While our brains have evolved to handle complex tasks and solve problems, they are not equipped to cope with the constant barrage of information and stimuli present in the digital age. The rapid pace of technological advancement has led to information overload, leading to cognitive strain, attention deficits, and decreased productivity. Our brains are wired for focused attention and periods of rest. But the constant stimulation from smartphones, social media, and other digital devices can disrupt these natural rhythms, contributing to stress and mental fatigue. 2. Urbanization and environmental disconnect. Our ancestors lived near nature, relying on their surroundings for food, shelter, and resources. However, the process of urbanization has led to a disconnect from the natural world for many people. This separation from green spaces and exposure to natural environments can have adverse effects on mental health, contributing to increased levels of stress, anxiety, and depression. Moreover, the prevalence of air pollution, noise pollution, and artificial light in urban environments further exacerbates the mismatch between our ancient biology and modern living conditions. 3. Reproductive health challenges. Evolutionary mismatch can also impact reproductive health and fertility. While our bodies are primed for reproduction during optimal conditions, factors such as delayed childbearing, environmental pollutants and stress can disrupt hormonal balance and reproductive function. Additionally, the availability of contraception and the choice to delay or limit childbearing can conflict with our biological drive to reproduce, leading to complex societal and individual dilemmas regarding fertility and family planning. 4. Globalization and cultural mismatch. Human societies have evolved within specific cultural contexts, each with its norms, values, and traditions. However, the process of globalization has led to the diffusion of cultures and the blending of diverse societal practices. This cultural mismatch can create tensions between traditional values and modern lifestyles, leading to identity crises, social fragmentation, and conflicts between individual autonomy and cultural expectations. 5. Artificial environments and microbiome disruption. Our bodies have co-evolved with diverse microbial communities that play essential roles in digestion, immunity, and overall health. However, the prevalence of sterile, artificial environments in modern life, such as sanitized homes, processed foods, and antibiotic use, can disrupt the balance of our microbiomes. This imbalance can lead to a range of health problems, including autoimmune disorders, allergies, and gastrointestinal issues, highlighting the mismatch between our ancient biology and the sanitized environments of modern living. These examples illustrate the multifaceted nature of evolutionary mismatch and its pervasive impact on various aspects of human health, behavior, and well-being in the modern world. Recognizing these mismatches and striving to address them through targeted interventions and systemic changes can help foster environments that better align with our biological needs and promote holistic health and flourishing. If you found value so far in this video, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to support this channel. Please share across social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Providing concrete examples can indeed enhance the clarity and impact of the guide. Here are some additional aspects of modern life that clash with our ancient biology, along with examples of how they affect human health and well-being. 1. Artificial environments versus natural settings. Example: spending most of our time indoors in artificially lit and climate-controlled environments can disconnect us from the natural world. This lack of exposure to natural settings can lead to reduced levels of vitamin D, disrupted circadian rhythms, and decreased overall well-being. Studies have shown that spending time in nature, known as ecotherapy or green therapy, can improve mood, reduce stress, and enhance cognitive function. 2. Constant stimulation versus periods of rest. Example: our ancient ancestors experienced periods of intense activity interspersed with relaxation. However, modern life often bombards us with constant stimulation from electronic devices, social media, and work-related demands. This constant stimulation can lead to chronic stress, exhaustion, and mental health issues like anxiety and burnout. Building regular breaks and relaxation into our daily routines can help mitigate these effects and promote overall well-being. 3. Urbanization and crowded living spaces. Example: while our ancestors lived in small, close-knit communities, modern urbanization has led to densely populated cities and crowded living spaces. This shift can lead to increased stress, reduced privacy, and disrupted social relationships. Studies have shown that high population density is associated with higher rates of mental health issues, including depression and anxiety. Balancing the benefits of urban living with the need for social connection and personal space is essential for maintaining psychological well-being. 4. Technological advancements and information overload. Example: the rapid advancement of technology has given us access to vast amounts of information and constant connectivity. While this has many benefits, such as increased access to knowledge and communication, it also presents challenges for our ancient brains. Processing large amounts of information and managing constant digital distractions can lead to cognitive overload, reduced attention span, and decreased productivity. Practicing mindfulness, setting boundaries on screen time, and adopting digital detox strategies can help mitigate the negative effects of information overload on our well-being. 5. Artificial social structures versus tribal dynamics. Example: our ancestors lived in small, tight-knit social groups where everyone knew each other and relationships were based on trust and cooperation. In contrast, modern society often features complex social structures, hierarchies, and institutions that can lead to feelings of isolation, alienation, and disconnection. Building strong social support networks, fostering meaningful relationships, and participating in community activities can help counteract the negative impact of modern social structures on our mental and emotional health. By recognizing these mismatches between our ancient biology and modern lifestyles, we can take proactive steps to adapt our environments and behaviors to better align with our biological needs, promoting overall health, happiness, and well-being. Here are more specific and actionable solutions to address evolutionary mismatch in various aspects of modern life. 1. Physical activity. Incorporate regular exercise into your daily routine, aiming for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity, or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity activity per week, as recommended by health authorities. Incorporate movement breaks throughout the day, such as stretching or walking, especially if you have a sedentary job. Engage in a variety of physical activities that you enjoy, such as hiking, dancing, or playing sports, to make exercise more enjoyable and sustainable. Make use of fitness trackers or smartphone apps to monitor your activity levels and set achievable goals for yourself. 2. Dietary choices. Prioritize whole, minimally processed foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, which align more closely with our evolutionary diet. Limit consumption of highly processed foods, sugary beverages, and foods high in unhealthy fats and additives. Practice mindful eating by paying attention to hunger and fullness cues, savoring your food, and avoiding distractions while eating. Experiment with ancestral or paleo-inspired diets, which emphasize foods that were available to our hunter-gatherer ancestors, to see if they align better with your health and well-being. 3. Sleep hygiene. Establish a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down, such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. Minimize exposure to artificial light, especially blue light from electronic devices, in the evening by using blue light blocking glasses, or installing apps that adjust the color temperature of your screens. Create a sleep-friendly environment by keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet, and investing in a comfortable mattress and pillows. 4. Nature exposure. Spend time outdoors in natural settings, such as parks, forests, or beaches, to reap the physical and mental health benefits of nature. Incorporate nature into your daily life by gardening, going for nature walks, or simply sitting outside and observing your surroundings. Practice earthing, or grounding, by walking barefoot on natural surfaces like grass, sand, or soil, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve sleep. Consider participating in organized outdoor activities or ecotherapy programs that promote connection with nature and holistic well-being. 5. Stress management. Practice stress reduction techniques such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, Progressive muscle relaxation, or yoga to calm the mind and body. Prioritize self-care activities that promote relaxation and rejuvenation, such as taking leisurely baths, listening to music, spending time with loved ones, or engaging in hobbies and creative pursuits. Set boundaries on work and technology used to prevent burnout and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Seek support from friends, family, or mental health professionals if you're feeling overwhelmed or struggling to cope with stress. By implementing these evidence-based strategies, you can better align your modern lifestyle with your ancient biology, promoting optimal health, well-being, and resilience in the face of evolutionary mismatch. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to our channel for more self-improvement videos. Comment below to tell us how useful you found this video. Remember to share on various social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Click the notification bell to get notified anytime we post a new video. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.